It's time for a haircut. Hello, welcome back to the channel. Unless you're new, then welcome. Today I'm going to be cutting my hair because something about it, man, just needs to be cut. I've actually been cutting my own hair for about 4 years now. It all started in 2020 when everyone was in quarantine, myself included. And I had super long hair at the time, and I decided to just cut it off, and since then I haven't went back. I just have loved having short hair and I can't stop trimming it. So that's why we're here today. Since then, I've made some mistakes. It's been a learning process. But overall, I have really liked my hair most of the time. So I think I'm doing something right. So I still have these front layers. These are cool. I'm not going to trim those. But the rest of my hair I've been kind of ignoring. So it's gotten very thick again. I always thin it out with thinning shears because otherwise it's really heavy and hot. Especially now that it's summertime, we want to have that summer haircut. Summer cut. Whole new meaning. I know it looks greasy and crusty right now. Just bear with me. I'm about to take a shower and get into it. But I saw this tutorial on Instagram Reels and I was like, I think I could do that.
This haircut is great for clients who are looking to add texture and remove weight from thick hair. Start by dividing the front and back, then separate the nape from the back.
Okay, well, I won't show you the whole video, but I'm basically going to follow this tutorial, which was very simple, or so it seems. There was not a ton of detailed instruction, but I think I can do it. This is a tutorial by My Guilty Crown, if you would like to watch the video, or follow this tutorial yourself. I'm a little nervous, but I always find comfort in the fact that no haircut could ever possibly be as bad as the one I gave myself in 2021. Moment of silence. Moment of silence for Will Byers over here, because can it possibly be worse than that? If it turns out terrible, I'm gonna just say I did it for summer, baby. Now I need a shower. Wait! Let me show you all my tools that I have. Hair cutting shears. Make sure they're actually for hair. It does make a difference. Thinning shears. Comb. And today I also got these new sectioning clips. Gonna go take a shower now. And for anyone wondering what shampoo and conditioner I use, I like these. It's called Monday. I get it at Target. Okay, we're back and it's game time. Step number 1 is going to be sectioning the hair. This is not exactly a tutorial. The tutorial that even I'm following, pretty simplified. So, this is just about a journey together. So that I'm not doing this alone, even though I am doing this alone. How do they do this in the salons? That works. Section number 2. We're dealing with the back first. So this is going to be the hardest part. How am I supposed to? So I need to separate the nape from the whole chunky top part. So I think I got it. 2 inches from the longest point is what I'm going for. This is genuinely actually hard. This is going to be tough. Guys, I was too confident. Wait, let me do a little less first. Okay, I think we got it. The way homie described it, called it a vertical subsection. I'm going to take a vertical subsection from the back, kind of like this, and then layer that vertical section, and then do all adjacent sections for the whole back. Alright, bingo. We got our first section. Wow, this looks just like the video. So now I'm just supposed to be working with this small piece right here and connect the original cut to the hair that is longer at an angle slightly above 90 degrees is what was stated. So I came to the conclusion that I was in over my head and I absolutely can't cut the back of my hair all by myself. So little brother Caden is gonna help me with the back section. No matter how good your mobility might be, I just don't think you're meant to reach that far behind your head. This is his barber shop now. He actually cuts hair for a living at age 14. So I think I'm in good hands. I already showed him the tutorial, so mastermind at work.
Watch and learn.
Putting my full trust in Caden right now. But also, if it gets messed up, that's okay. That would be God's plan. And who am I to question God's plan?
Facts.
Facts. Almost done with the first side. How should I repay you for the fresh cut?
Candy!
Candy! $20?
Yeah. No, candy is fine.
20
Maybe some
bucks?
ice cream.
Ice cream!
Wait, shave ice.
Shave ice? Okay. What flavor?
Melona.
Melona. Thanks, little bro.
I did my best.
Now it's up to me to finish the front. Now, all that's left is the little front sections. Let me just clip these back. Tutorial said to line up the front and the back with point cutting. So okay, now, according to the video, I'm supposed to section like so. Clip this. I'm supposed to cut it like this. Over directing the hair forward and cutting it at a diagonal line. I don't want to trim these layers too much. We're almost done. We're almost done. I can feel it. Okay, so it's been a few days since I cut my hair, and I love how it turned out. And now I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how I like to style it. This is going to be after a shower, so styling wet hair. I will say, most days I don't do any styling, I'll just let it air dry, but because it's a bit wavy, sometimes it air dries funny or like bumpy. You know what I mean? Wavy hair people know what I'm talking about. But if I ever want to just be sure it's going to look nice, I'll style it like this. So, wet hair, brush everything back. All you need is a blow dryer and hair oil if you use hair oil. This has argan oil. Okay, it's not going to focus, but this is it. And this is going to be very simple. I just blow dry my hair in the direction that I want it to flow. So I like to have a middle part, and so I'll kind of start with one side and blow dry it like this way, and then blow dry this side like this way. You'll see when I do it. Okay, and that's it. I only blow dry this like front section right here, and then the rest of it I'll just leave it wet and let it air dry. Final look at the style, and I really like the longer layers right now. It just flows down very nicely, especially when I blow dry it. So yep, that is the extent of my hairstyling tutorial plus hair cutting not tutorial, because that was absolutely not informative. But if you enjoyed, don't forget to leave a like and a comment and subscribe if you're not already. And don't forget to lift, laugh, and love. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!